C5 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I think probably by far one of our best-selling year and models. It's the 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th Anniversary Edition Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles just a little over 24,000 is all in this one. Does have both roofs, one painted to match, the other one tinted. Of course, LS1 5.7 liter power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive trans in this car. Power steering, power brakes, AC, and you can see the paint. It shows well in this one. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Anniversary red metallic with the anniversary shale interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. In with the still pictures, you're going to see an aftermarket set of wheels. Those will go with this car, as well as the 50th anniversary wheel. And those are the original tires, letting you know that due to age. Yes, I know, tire police out there. Probably not going to drive this too far with those older tires on it. And it's recommended that they should be changed, but somebody that wants to collect this, maybe keep it in with a whole shop full of Corvettes they've collected. Maybe they want the original tires. We're going to leave that up to the next owner. I'm just making you aware of it, checking the still pictures for the aftermarket wheels. Up and down the passenger side of this, you can see not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This was also a museum delivered car, and as you can see, has the body side moldings. You'll be able to see the still pictures, and in those still pictures, a copy of the window sticker and build sheet. So check it out. So you're going to see that it does have the selective ride control. UniqueClassicCars.com is where that window sticker and build sheet are going to be in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the rear of the vehicle. Does have the privacy cover that goes in it, as you can see through the back window. If you have stuff stashed back there, you won't be able to see it with that privacy cover in there. Right now, one of the target tops, removable tops, is in there. So there's two cases for each top. One top in the Corvette case, as you can see. I also have a car cover. We have the license plate bracket, filler plate, and it appears what that is for that extra top. If you hung that up on your garage wall, you'd hang the top from that. Of course, the 50th anniversary VCR tape and DVD. Also an owner's manual, as well as showroom brochure. And once again, that window sticker and the build sheet, all in the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see paint shows well on this driver's side. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Wheels look good. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Now we will start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We'll also take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Door panels are looking good. Of course, your modern amenities, the memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat in the driver's side. You can also see very little wear on the shale bucket seats. 50th anniversary embroidering. Good looking interior too. Of course, heads up display, driver's information center. AM, FM, CD player. There's that heads up display I mentioned. You can see above the steering wheel. There's your exact miles, 24,245. Dual electronic climate control. Stereo system up and working, and a Bose stereo system, of course. Dash looks good. Headlights. No gears grinding. Headlights, good shape. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Sounds good too. All right. How about the engine bay? I think we know what we're going to see underneath here. Pretty clean. Little 2003 50th anniversary filler panel up there. There it is. Again, remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage. It's a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Slip around to the passenger side so you can see it too. Looks good. Newer battery too. Just what do we got? May of 24. It's nice to know. Something else kind of noticed on this one, lots of times you'll see the bottoms of the flags broken off, or that emblem kind of tweaked in spots due to buffing. And I did notice on this one, both of them appeared to be in some nice shape. And with some good accessories also. So 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th anniversary edition coupe, 24,245 miles. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette with removable targa top. This car coming with a solid top, a see-through top, and of course you can run with no top. We have the see-through top in today. The AC is blowing cold on this car. The odometer showing less than 25,000 miles. Accelerates as you would expect for a Corvette very well. This is an automatic, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Stereo sounds great. The temperature gauge is reading 195. The oil pressure about 50. Speedo and tachometer are working as they should. The battery's charging over 14 volts. And the fuel gauge shows over half a tank. That all looks good. Dual climate control. All the goodies in this car. Nice looking, comfortable leather bucket seats. This is a 50th anniversary, even better. Brakes are working as they should. I have a heads-up display showing me the tachometer, the speed, and the fuel gauge. I must say, it corners like a Corvette because it does. Nice and flat. Excellent handling cars. What a great Corvette, and a low mile to boot. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 03 50th anniversary Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.